then I push in for more help, right? No, there's no help. Only for this. I need to start all over. Okay, ready? Help me, Kara! Richard! I almost went too fast. Okay, guys, ready? Richard, don't cheat. You gotta stay in line. Richard! Don't cheat. Go back down. Okay, Richard. Now I'm gonna help you, okay? Yeah. Hold my feet. 1, 2, 3. No, 3, 4. If you say 1, 2, 3 and then go, I do this, okay? I suck. Okay, 1, 2. Here, let me put on my sock. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. I got him! I got him! I got him! No! No! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on, Richard! This time I can just... 1, 2, 3. Got it! No! Come on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!